Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete users on your Zendesk account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zendesk.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zendesk website. Click on the sign in button at the top section and then use your email address and your password to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to delete any user, click on the settings button at the left side and then click on Go to Admin Center. Now, from the Admin Center page, click on People drop-down menu and now, underneath Bulk Action, you will see the Delete End Users option. Go ahead and click on it and now you will see all of the users that you have underneath your organization. You can click on the checkbox at the right side to select multiple of the users that you wish to delete. And once you choose your desired users that you want to delete, click on the Delete Users option at the bottom right corner. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete these users. Click on the Delete button once again, and these users will be deleted from your organization right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete users on your Zendesk account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.